not recording.
Yes, it is.
No, my one isn't.
Oh, mine is.
Okay, it's recording now.
Kia ora koutou, ngā maima ana ki a koutou. This is a message to 2075, and we all work for Waino Manaaki, so whānau Manaaki, whichever side of the globe you come from. And we're going to sing a song about the insistence of speaking Te Reo Māori. We hope that in 2075 they're still strong with Te Reo Māori, and also whānau Manaaki still is Te Tiriti based practice. Kia ora!